Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, and a very interesting setup going forward from a trading perspective. Because yeah, the price got absolutely demolished out of the first 30 minutes, but then all of a sudden the price just simply went sideways. And when it went sideways, it essentially built a little base here at 70 cents. And that creates a very interesting dynamic. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy, just because the price got absolutely, beat down and then spent the rest of the day going sideways. Can I sit here and guarantee that this is a bottom and that a bounce is coming? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? Is it logical to question if this is some sort of bottom? Yeah, it's absolutely logical to question that. Case in point, earlier during the first 30 minutes when the price was falling and falling and falling, at no point to say, I wonder if the price is going to bounce. I wonder if that's some sort of bottom. Nobody thought that. Why? Because people are logical. And when the price was just simply falling, why would you think that this is some sort of bottom? But now you fast forward to the end of the day, and with the price very clearly going sideways, it at least makes a rational sense to think that maybe this is the bottom. Maybe it's not. That's why risk management and risk control is so important. But it's at least, not some sort of pie in the sky thought to have, to think that, maybe there is some sort of bounce that may be getting ready to take note, especially when you consider during the final 30 minutes right here. You can see volume kick back into high gear, got in the world of charts what we would call a hammer candle. So we'll see if that leads to anything or not. In the event it does bounce, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, 76 seems to be that key general area right there. So keep an eye on that. But overall, definitely some volatile action, good, price movement here. And yeah, let's see if the bulls can get a bounce or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.